When you purchase the DeWalt DW735 Planer, the base model doesn't come with an in and out feed table. I just purchased them myself and I'll be unboxing and installing them on my planer today. Before I install them, let me show you why I wanted them. They have more benefits than a flat surface in and out. Without the outfeed table, you need to apply pressure on your board at the exit so it doesn't tilt towards the blade. Here, I'll simply let it go, and even the short board will tilt toward the blade at the end, called snipe. Snipe can and will ruin your blades, in addition to digging deep into your piece of wood. Here's an unsupported 8-foot 2x3 board. Do not try this, it's dangerous and can tip the planer over. Having a table, as you'll see later, would have avoided this. The snipe also dug a chunk out of the end of the 2x3. Now let's install this folding table. First, remove all power and dust extraction duct. It comes with detailed enough instructions on how to install the tables. Both tables are identical, interchangeable. As you can see here, the height of the table surface is adjustable if you eventually get out of sync with the planer. First, you have to put the spring in the long screw and add the nut from inside. To install the tables, instructions tell you to overhang the planer off the table by 3 to 4 inches like this. To finalize adding those, you'll need an Allen key and a hex key. It turns much longer than I expected before being done. Repeat for the 3 remaining top holes, same on both sides. The bottom hole has a different screw that we will do next. The bottom screw has no spring and is simply screwed in. Screw it with the Allen key until solid. To add the table, set it parallel to the planer surface, press in the top screws and slip it in. Once both top pins are clicked in, you're done. You can now raise and lower the front table. Do the same thing on the back table. The space is a bit tighter, but the install is the same. As I'm noticing here, you cannot raise the rear table, it hits the dust collector port. I'm not a fan of this design. Now that everything is installed, it's time to try it and see the difference a in-feed and out-feed table make. First, I ran the same short piece as earlier. As you can see, it stayed entirely flat the entire time. Next, I run the 2x3, again without holding it. Do not plane 8-foot boards without supporting them. I'm doing this here, conscious of the danger for the example. By having the pivot farther, the board still tipped, but it did not get sniped by the blade. ending with a perfect finish. As you can see, this outfeed table basically eliminated the possibility of snipe. Overall, I'm happy to finally have those tables. It'll make my work more precise and less dangerous. As for the rear table that cannot fold, I'm disappointed. As you can see here, I found a 1-cent solution for it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to see me make a rolling stand for this planer soon.